that I have that Mark doesn't have, and he doesn't. Well, I shouldn't be talking like that. He said. I could make this thing. I already talked to Pete Vitelli about it, and he'd be willing to do it with him as a.
I love it. I love it.
All that stuff to the trunk. This thing's giving me a little bit of trouble right now, but the thing is, I just want to see if I can see that one. You see, you can never find anything. Like this is my mess. Oh, here. First shifters, like that's for the T5, but you know, and that's 5 gears. That's going inside that thing, and that thing will be fast, like a 5-liter V8 and the T5 transmission. It's a Borg Warner T5 world-class transmission, and the 8.8-inch narrowed forward differential with 323 posies will make that car very, very fast. Very fast.
Like a Cobra?
Faster than a Cobra. As fast as a Cobra. But you know, somebody's $100,000 Porsche will have a lot of trouble to beat this $5,000 shitbox. It's where the Buick is. Uh-oh, the keys are not here. That's too bad, because it's actually a really nice day for it. I mean, it has only 3 wires. I could actually figure out how to start it, but it's a dumb thing.
You mean hot wire it?
Yeah, you know, because there's only 3 wires, it's not hard to do. But we'll go to. Did I take your picture? 66 Datsun Sport 1600.
Where'd you get it?
San Francisco area. I got it in Los Angeles, but it originally came from San Francisco.
Well, it's been on a few journeys.
It's 41 years old, and it's been on the